Hello viewers, this is Anil Kumar Padam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel AKP's Social Science. Every student of class 3rd to class 10th of all boards must and should have some knowledge about map reading and map pointing. It helps you to score more marks in examinations. In generally, summative assessments or term and examinations, there will be some question on map locating and map reading in social studies question paper. If you know how to locate or how to read the map, you will score more marks easily than others. So, keeping in view of examination, I have prepared this video on location and neighboring countries of India. After watching this video from beginning to the end, you will learn how to locate places in given outline map of India in examination accurately and confidently. Let's start. This is outline map of India. Is political map of India. In general examinations, you will get outline map of India only. Boundaries of India. North, east, south, west are the four boundaries. North of India, we have Himalaya mountains, and south, Indian Ocean, and east, Bay of Bengal, and on west, Arabian Sea. Four directions. North, south, east, west are called four major directions. So, what lies on east of India? So, east of India, we have Bay of Bengal. What lies west of India? So, west of India, we have Arabian Sea. What lies north of India? So, we have Himalayan mountains in north of India. What lies south of India? So, we have Indian Ocean south of India. Once again, Bay of Bengal on east, Arabian Sea on west, Himalayan mountains on north, and Indian Ocean on south. These are the four major directions, and we have four boundaries. An imaginary line which passes through India and divides it into two equal halves, that is 23.5 degree north latitude, Tropic of Cancer. At the same time, one more imaginary line which passes through India, that is 82.5 east longitude, which is considered and recognized as Indian Standard Time. That is 82.5. That is IST. Here, sometimes we heard southwest monsoon, northeastern states of India, or northwestern state of India. So, we must know the directions first of all, then we will try to locate the things. Here you see, north, south, east, west are four major directions. Along these four, we have northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. So here you see, on northeast of India, we have Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, etc. On southwest monsoon, when we refer southwest monsoon, the monsoons comes from southwest direction of India. On northwest of India, we have a neighbor called Pakistan. Our northwest state is Rajasthan. Like that, Andaman and Nicobar lies southeast of India. So, these northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest are four intermediate directions which help us to locate maps accurately. Now, we see location of India. Go to learn some facts about India. One is India is the seventh largest country in the world with an area of 32,87,263 square kilometers. Second, India is the second most populous country of the world after China. Third, India is located on the northern and eastern hemisphere of the world. Fourth, mainland of India is situated between 8 degrees 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude and 68 degrees 7 minutes to 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitude. So this is the location. This is the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. The distance between north to south is 3214 kilometers and that of west to east is 2933 kilometers. 23.5 degree north latitude, the Tropic of Cancer passes through in middle of India, dividing India into two equal halves. Now see location of India on globe or on world. First of all, 0 degree latitude. This is 0 degree latitude. It divides the world into two halves. North of equator is called the northern hemisphere. South of equator is called southern hemisphere. So these are the two hemispheres. Same time, 0 degree longitude divide the globe into two halves. The portion which lies east of 0 degree longitude is called eastern hemisphere. The portion which lies west of 0 degree longitude is called western hemisphere. So as a whole, world is divided into four hemispheres. Our India lies in northern and eastern hemisphere. So our India is located on globe on northern and eastern hemisphere of the world. Now see the location, exact location of India. India located on 8 degrees 4 minutes north latitude. That means the last of, so the southernmost tip of India lies at 8 degrees 4 minutes north. The same time, northernmost tip of India lies on 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude. Same time, western tip of India, that is 68 degrees 7 minutes east longitude, and eastern tip of India is 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. So these are the four longitude distances. Next, the distance between west to east is 2933 kilometers. That of distance between north to south is 3214 kilometers. This is the distance between north to south and is from west to east. Some important concept. What is subcontinent? A big landmass which stands out as a distinct geographical unit from the rest of the continent is called subcontinent. It is usually separated by a barrier, that is Indian subcontinent separated by Himalaya. Peninsula. A comparatively narrow tract of land projecting into a sea and is surrounded by water on three sides is called a peninsula. For example, Indian Peninsula. Third, Iceland. An area of land completely surrounded by water on four sides is called island. For example, Andaman Nicobar, Sri Lanka, etc. Greenland is the largest island of the world. What is strait? A narrow passage of water connecting two seas or two other large areas of water is called strait. Example, Park Strait. What is a gulf? A large portion of sea or an ocean partially enclosed by land. It is more enclosed than a bay and generally tapering towards land. It's called a gulf. Example, Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Khambhat. Many of you have a doubt how the name India derived. For that answer we have, the name India originally derived from the great river Sindhu, that is Sanskrit word, or the Indus located in the northwest part of country. People living along river were recognized as Indoi by the Greeks since Herodotus, that is on 5th century BC in ancient time. Later this began to be referred to as India by Britishers. Another name of our country is Bharat, originated after the great ruler either Dushyanta's son Bharat or Risava's son Bharat of this land, Bharat in the ancient times. So this is the origin of our country's name. India, Bharat and also we call it as a Hindustan. So here some concept we will mark in our India map. First one is peninsula. Here see a landmass is surrounded by water in three sides. See here, India, east of India we have Bay of Bengal, west of India we have Arabian Sea, south of India we have Indian Ocean. So the south part of India lies between three seas. That's why it is called as a peninsula. That is island. What is an island? An area of land completely surrounded by water on four sides is called the island. So example, Andaman Nicobar or Lakshadweep Islands of India. Next is strait. What is a strait? See, a strait is a narrow passage. We can see between India and Pakistan. We have a strait called Pak Strait. That's a Pak Strait. P-A-L-K. Pak Strait. Okay. So a narrow passage of water connecting two seas or two other large area of water. Here Pak Strait connects Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. The last one is Gulf. What is Gulf? A large area of sea or ocean partially enclosed by land. See here, this sea is enclosed by land. Here also you can see. This is Run of Kutch or Kutch Gulf we call. This is called as a Gulf of Combat. I think you got this point. Next we see neighboring countries of India. We have 7 neighbors on the land frontier. They are Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar. Here some fact about neighboring countries of India. India shares border with 7 sovereign nations. It shares land border with Pakistan about 3,310 kilometers, with Afghanistan about 106 kilometers, with Nepal 1,752 kilometers, with China 3,488 kilometers, with Bhutan 578 kilometers, with Bangladesh 4,096 kilometers, and with Myanmar 1,643 kilometers. Next, Bangladesh and Pakistan share both land border as well as maritime borders, while Sri Lanka shares only maritime border. Maritime in the sense on water. Next, India's Andaman and Nicobar Islands share a maritime border with Thailand, Myanmar and Indonesia. The nearest neighbor across ocean water is Sri Lanka, which is separated by Gulf of Mannar and Pak Strait. Here neighboring countries of India, they are Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar. Across ocean water we have Sri Lanka and Maldives. First of this area is Pakistan. This area is which lies northwest part of India. That is Pakistan. Second is Afghanistan. It also lies northwest part of India. Third is this area is China. Fourth is Nepal. This area is Nepal. Fifth, Bhutan. This area is Bhutan. Sixth, Bangladesh. This is Bangladesh. And seventh and last one is Myanmar. This is completely Myanmar, or earlier it was known as Burma. Across ocean water we have 2 neighbors. They are, one is Sri Lanka, the other one is Maldives. So these are the neighboring countries of India. Indian states situated on the border. You see. With Pakistan, India's 5 states have common border. That Indian states sharing their borders are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, UT. Afghanistan, we have only one state shares border, that is Ladakh, UT. China, 5. One is Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh. With Nepal, 5 states have common border: Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and Sikkim. With Bhutan, 4 states: Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh. Bangladesh, we share 5 states borders: West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Mizoram. Myanmar, 4 states: Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, and Mizoram of Indian states sharing their borders with foreign nations or our border countries. Indian states sharing border with Pakistan. What are the states we have to see? This is Pakistan. Here one is this is Gujarat. So Gujarat. Second is Rajasthan. Rajasthan shares border with Pakistan. Third is Punjab. Third state is Punjab shares border with Pakistan. Fourth is here Jammu and Kashmir. This area we share common border with Pakistan. Fifth one is Ladakh UT. It also shares common border with Pakistan. There are the 5 states which shares common border with Pakistan. Once again we call Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir, and Ladakh shares border with Pakistan. So a border line between India and Pakistan is known as Red Cliff Line. We have a international border, that name is Red Cliff Line. The same time, 24th parallel line, that is called Sar Creek Line. Pakistan claims that it is the boundary between India and Pakistan. In run of caste in this area, they think it is a boundary line between two nations. Next, Indian states sharing border with Afghanistan. With Afghanistan, we have only one UT which shares common border, that is Ladakh. So borderline between Afghanistan and Pakistan is known as Durand Line. Indian states sharing border with China. We see here, this is China. Indian states sharing border with one is Ladakh. Second is Himachal Pradesh. Third, Uttarakhand. Fourth, Sikkim. And the fifth one is Arunachal Pradesh. So these are the 5 states shares border with China. Borderline between India and China is known as McMahon Line. Indian states sharing border with Nepal. This is Nepal. First one is Uttarakhand. Second one is Uttar Pradesh. Third state is Bihar. Fourth state is West Bengal. And the fifth one is Sikkim. So Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and Sikkim shares border with Nepal. Next we see with Bhutan. The Indian states sharing border with Bhutan are: one is Sikkim. Second is West Bengal. Third is Assam. Fourth one is Arunachal Pradesh. So these are the 4 states which shares border with Bhutan. Indian states sharing border with Bangladesh. The first one is West Bengal. Second one is Assam. Third is Meghalaya. Fourth is Mizoram. And fifth one is Tripura. So these 5 states shares border with Bangladesh. Indian states sharing border with Myanmar. First, Arunachal Pradesh. Second is Nagaland. Third is Manipur, and fourth one is Mizoram. These are the 4 states which shares border with Myanmar. Here once I will recall, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh shares border with Pakistan. Ladakh shares border with Afghanistan. Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh shares border with China. Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Sikkim shares border with Nepal. Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh shares border with Bhutan. West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram shares border with Bangladesh. And Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram shares border with Myanmar. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share it among your friends. And if you have any comments, please write it in my comment box. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe it and click the bell icon by which you will get notification of my new videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you once again.